New Bentley Bentayga S debuts with V8 power and performance upgrades. One of the highlights of the S version is Bentley Dynamic Ride System. Essentially, this is an active anti-roll tech that uses a 48-volt system, for which the automaker says is a first in the industry. The system can react within just 0.3 seconds, applying up to 959 pound-feet of torque to counteract lateral rolling forces when cornering. Bentley promises the system, which is standard on the Bentayga S, provides optimal cabin stability and maximum tire contact. Another upgrade over the standard Bentayga is a sport driving mode for an improved steering feel, more responsive throttle, and up to 15% stiffer suspension thanks to increased pressure in the damping system. A new performance exhaust system comes standard with free-flowing primary and secondary pipes. Last but not least, Bentley's torque vectoring system has been recalibrated in the Bentayga S. Bentley's ultimate grand tourer, the Continental GT, is receiving a new powerful and efficient V8 engine. Debuting today, the Continental GT V8 in both coupe and convertible forms comes with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo 8-cylinder unit delivering 542 horsepower and 568 foot-pounds of torque. Performance numbers show the V8's power models are just a tad slower than the W12 models. The GT V8 Coupe needs only 3.9 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour from a standstill versus 3.7 seconds for the 0 to 62 mile per hour sprint by the W12 Coupe. The GT V8 Convertible requires an additional 0.1 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, and the top speed for both is 198 miles per hour. Bentley promises not only thrilling performance but also greater efficiency thanks to a cylinder deactivation system which shuts off 4 cylinders in suitable conditions. The British automaker claims this process doesn't hurt the smooth drivability as the seamless switch from the 4 to 8 working cylinders happens in just 20 milliseconds. The adaptive smart all-wheel drive system channels power from the V8 twin-turbo engine to all 4 wheels. Bentley says the car will use rear-wheel drive as much as possible during normal driving for optimum efficiency and dynamic performance. One of the few design features that distinguish the V8 models from the range-topping W12 Continentals is the exhaust layout.